I guess it goes back years ago when I wasn't feeling good. When I learned how to optimize hormones, I was able to help myself. And so I fell in love with treating hormones. My name is Dr. Gregory Allen. I work with Tera Fe Med Spa. Usually by the time patients come here, they have gone to a lot of other offices and have never gotten results. And so we love to really get down to the cause. What excites me every day of coming to work is that I can now help somebody else who might be going through what I went through and get them out of that and to help them feel great again. We have really built an amazing team. Most of them have experienced in one way or another a hormone problem. We love helping people because we've seen it work. We know it can help. What we do is we focus on what they're missing, and once you get that key, it's amazing what happens. People feel great. We found that there are not as many compounding pharmacies that we can put our confidence in. Then we met Strive, and Strive is a wonderful pharmacy. And Strive does a great job of making a quality product and giving it to the patient. So we love that partnership. It's crucial. The feeling of helping somebody feel better is really hard to put into words. It's so rewarding. It's amazing.